Just a short video on how to create a Bytello account with your tutortouch interactive panel. To start, please open up your camera if you are on Android or iPhone, and if you're on any other device, please download a QR scanner and scan the QR code provided on the tutortouch home screen. From there, it will take you to the Bytello account creation screen where you can choose your corresponding login preferences. If it's a school account, please use the Microsoft option. From there, please type in your email address and password that you would like to use or create the account on. Once you've entered the password, email address and password, simply press on the accept button for the permissions requested, and then follow the following prompts by adding your region as well as entering your birth month as well as birth year. Once you've done this step, your account has now been created and you will be prompted to go back to the tutortouch panel. As you can see on the screen, the QR code has now turned into a tick mark, and this will take you to the further customization screens on the panel. What this allows you to do is it allows you to add any amount of cloud drives. For this demonstration, we will only be adding one cloud drive. To do this, please press on the bind button next to the cloud drive option, and then this will bring up the options of either a Google Drive or a OneDrive. Please select the corresponding option, and then once again, just simply type in your email address and password for that corresponding drive. Once you have entered your password and added your cloud drive, this will now prompt you to go back to the Bytello Customize Your Own OS creation screen by simply pressing the red X button to take you back to the first step. This will now also show that your account has been added, so you can verify if you added the correct account. You can add an additional account by simply pressing the bind button or press the next button to customize your interface by adding additional icons like the Finder for quick access or additional applications that you might want to use in every day. So like your browser and your WPS Office suite. Next would be to customize the layout as well as choosing the customizable background colors. And then once you press the done button, it will customize your OS to your preferences. From here, you still have the option to move the icons around like on a tablet to arrange them in an order that suits you. This was just a short video on how to create your custom Bytello account.